See, the thing is, some people will think they are above average, others below, and some maybe bosses and managers will think they've made it as a man. Here's the kicker. If you have never been exposed to Stoicism, you're missing the last piece of the puzzle, or the piece that can get you access to the other parts. So here we go straight in with a quote by Marcus Aurelius. When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, the people I deal with today will be meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly. They are like this because they can't tell good from evil. But I have seen the beauty of good and the ugliness of evil, and have recognized that the wrongdoer has a nature related to my own, not of the same blood and birth, but the same mind, and possessing a share of the divine. And so none of them can hurt me. No one can implicate me in ugliness, nor can I feel angry at my relative or hate him. We were born to work together like feet, hands, and eyes, like the two rows of teeth, upper and lower. To obstruct each other is unnatural. To feel anger at someone, to turn your back on him, these are unnatural. I know deep material, right? I read it more than once, I won't lie. It helped me realize forgiveness is for you both, but begins with you. Aurelius's teachings have not only survived the march of time that has eroded lesser philosophy, they have also become pillars of wisdom that countless people lean on for strength, even in our hyper-connected, increasingly complex and accelerating modern world. My next quote I think we are all guilty of as you listen to it. I would like you to consider the imbalance in thought and how we can correct with Stoic virtues. Now for the quote, it never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own. Again, are we all guilty? I think so. This will be the last quote. Please like and subscribe to help promote my work. To reach others while you listen to this, thank you. Live a good life. If there are gods, and they are just, then they will not care how devout you have been, but will welcome you based on the virtues you have lived by. If there are gods but unjust, then you should not want to worship them. If there are no gods, then you will be gone, but will have lived a noble life that will live on in the memories of your loved ones. Chronocortex gives gratitude for your likes. Check out my other videos for some more informative content. Take care.